Ever said something in English and then later thought, wait, was that correct? Maybe you've written something like, he go to school every day, and it just didn't sound right. Or you've frozen in conversation, worrying about tiny grammar rules. Here's the truth. Most learners, even advanced ones, make the same 5 grammar mistakes again and again. But the good news is, you can fix them today. Let's dive in. Welcome to English Express, the show that helps you build real confidence in English with real conversations. I'm Soy Kosel, and today we're talking about what's wrong with your grammar and how to fix the 5 most common mistakes learners make. These are small things, but they make a big difference in how natural you sound. And I'm so excited because I have a special guest who knows grammar inside out, but explains it in a way that actually makes sense. Joining us today is Davey, an English grammar coach and the author of the book Grammar Without Pain. He's worked with students from over 20 countries, and today he's going to help you avoid the grammar traps most learners fall into.
Thanks so much, Kosal. I'm really happy to be here. I know grammar gets a bad reputation, but it doesn't have to be boring or confusing. Once you understand the why, everything becomes so much easier.
Mistake 1. He go to school every day. Missing third-person S. Let's start with a classic.
Yes, this one is everywhere. In the present simple, if the subject is he, she, or it, we need to add S to the verb. So it's not he go, it's he goes. Correct examples. She likes coffee. It works perfectly. Tip, say it out loud. Hear the S. Make it a habit.
Mistake 2. I didn't went. Double past tense.
Oh yes, I've heard this a lot, even in interviews.
It's very common. The rule is, after did, the main verb stays in the base form. Wrong, I didn't went. Right, I didn't go. It's confusing because went is past tense, but you already used did to show the past. Mistake 3. She can to help. This one shows up when learners overthink. After modal verbs like can, could, should, must, we don't use to. Wrong. She can to help. Right. She can help. Just remember, I can speak English. You should study more. No to needed. Mistake 4. I am agree. This one gets tricky because of other languages, right?
Exactly. In some languages, agree is a state. But in English, agree is already a verb. So you don't say, I am agree. You say, I agree. You only use am with adjectives, like I am happy, I am ready.
Mistake 5. She has a good news. And finally, the mystery of uncountable nouns. Some words in English don't take a or an, even though they seem singular. Wrong. A good news. Right. Some good news or just good news. Other examples. I have some information, not an information. He gave me advice, not an advice.
Let's quickly go over those again. He goes to school. Don't forget the third person S. I didn't go. Keep the verb in base form. She can help. No to after modal verbs. I agree, not am agree. Good news, no a before uncountable nouns.
These mistakes are small, but when you fix them, your English sounds so much better.
Absolutely. And when you hear yourself speaking correctly, your confidence grows. You start to enjoy the language.
Davey, thank you so much for sharing your grammar wisdom with us today. That was clear, helpful, and honestly fun.
My pleasure, Kosal. And to everyone listening, don't be afraid of grammar. Just take one mistake at a time and practice with purpose.
To our amazing listeners, I challenge you. Pick one of these mistakes you've made. Practice the correct version all week. You'll see the difference. If this episode helped you, please follow or subscribe to English Express. Leave a review, share this episode with a friend, and tell us, which grammar mistake have you now fixed? I'm Soy Kosel, and this is your express ride to better English. Keep going. You're doing great.